Welcome builders! Ready to make your very own miniature bricks? Awesome! Let's cast them together step by step. Step 1. Open the plaster pack. Here's your Plaster of Paris pack. Carefully cut it open using a pair of scissors. If you need help, ask an adult to do this part for you. Now we're ready to start casting. Step 2. Measure the water. Take the measuring scoop and add 2 full scoops of water into the mixing cup. Before you use the scoop for the plaster, make sure it's completely dry. Wipe it with a clean cloth if needed. A wet scoop can make the plaster become lumpy or harden inside the packet. Step 3. Add the plaster. Now add 3 level scoops of Plaster of Paris. To make a level scoop, simply tap the filled scoop on the tabletop to remove the extra powder and keep it filled just to the brim. Great. Now let the mixture rest for about 20 seconds. An optional step can be to add some color if you want colorful bricks. For this, add about 40 to 45 drops of your favorite color. Or you can even mix 2 colors together to create your very own shade. This step is optional, but it's a fun way to make your creations unique. Step 4. Mix it well. Now stir the mixture. Mix clockwise, then anti-clockwise, until everything becomes smooth and creamy with no lumps. Your mixture should be thin enough to pour easily. If the mixture feels too thick, add a few drops of water and stir again. Step 5. Place a sheet of paper on your table to keep your workspace clean. Now place the silicone mold on top. Slowly pour the mixture into the cavities of the silicone mold. Use the scraper to spread the mixture into every brick cavity. Finally, scrape away the extra mixture to leave a smooth, flat surface. Now hold the sides of the paper below the mold and gently tap it on the table a few times like this. This helps remove tiny air bubbles and gives you stronger bricks. Check that the surface is nice and level. If any holes appear, add a little more mixture to refill them. Now leave the mold undisturbed for at least 8 hours so the bricks can dry completely. For best results, place it in a warm, dry spot or in sunlight. Step 7. Pop out your bricks. Once the bricks are completely dry, gently bend the silicone mold. Carefully pop out each brick one at a time. Take it slow so your bricks stay nice and strong. And there you have it, your very own handmade miniature brick. Now you're ready to build houses, castles, bridges, towers, or anything else your imagination can dream up. Happy building, and we'll see you in the next adventure with Cast-01.